In Vedic astrology, the zodiac is divided into 27 nakshatras, lunar constellations. Each nakshatra covers 1320 of the zodiac and represents unique energies, personality traits, karma, talents, and spiritual lessons. The moon travels through one nakshatra approximately every day, creating changing emotional and energetic patterns. The complete nakshatra cycle symbolically represents the evolution of consciousness from birth to spiritual completion. Ashwini Nakshatra. Personality. People born under Ashwini are energetic, adventurous, youthful, and quick thinkers. They often love movement, travel, innovation, and helping others. Strengths. Healing ability. Fast action. Leadership. Courage. Optimism. Weaknesses. Impatience. Restlessness. Starting things without finishing. Spiritual meaning. Ashwini represents the beginning of the soul journey and divine healing energy. Careers. Doctors, athletes, healers, emergency workers, entrepreneurs. Bharni Nakshatra. Personality. Bharni natives are passionate, emotional, magnetic, and capable of enduring difficult transformations. Strengths. Determination. Creativity. Emotional depth. Persistence. Weaknesses. Possessiveness. Emotional extremes. Rebellion. Spiritual meaning. Represents birth, death, rebirth, and karmic purification. Careers. Artists, lawyers, psychologists, social reformers. Krittika Nakshatra. Personality. Strong-willed, disciplined, sharp-minded, and naturally authoritative. Strengths. Courage. Purification. Leadership. Honesty. Weaknesses. Harshness. Anger. Perfectionism. Spiritual meaning. Burning away illusion and impurity. Rohini Nakshatra. Personality. Attractive, artistic, sensual, nurturing, and creative. Strengths. Beauty. Creativity. Magnetism. Material growth. Weaknesses. Attachment. Jealousy. Overindulgence. Spiritual meaning. Represents manifestation and creation. Mrigashira Nakshatra. Personality. Curious, intellectual, adaptable, imaginative. Strengths. Research. Exploration. Communication. Weaknesses. Anxiety. Restlessness. Indecision. Spiritual meaning. Searching for truth and higher meaning. Ardra Nakshatra. Personality. Intense, intelligent, emotionally powerful, transformative. Strengths. Innovation. Survival power. Deep thinking. Weaknesses. Emotional chaos. Anger. Destructive tendencies. Spiritual meaning. Destruction leading to rebirth. Punarvasu Nakshatra. Personality. Optimistic, forgiving, spiritual, nurturing. Strengths. Recovery. Wisdom. Positivity. Weaknesses. Repeating patterns. Overtrusting. Spiritual meaning. Returning to inner truth after darkness. Pushya Nakshatra. Personality. Protective, disciplined, wise, caring. Strengths. Teaching. Stability. Guidance. Weaknesses. Emotional suppression. Self-sacrifice. Spiritual meaning. Divine nourishment and spiritual wisdom. Ashlesha Nakshatra. Personality. Hypnotic, intelligent, intuitive, secretive. Strengths. Strategy. Intuition. Psychological understanding. Weaknesses. Manipulation. Hidden anger. Emotional complexity. Spiritual meaning. Awakening hidden Kundalini energies. Magha Nakshatra. Personality. Regal, proud, authoritative, tradition-oriented. Strengths. Leadership. Legacy building. Respect. Weaknesses. Ego. Pride. Dominance. Spiritual meaning. Connection to ancestral karma and lineage power. Purva Falguni is the 11th nakshatra in Vedic astrology. It is associated with creativity, beauty, love, prosperity, enjoyment, and renewal. This nakshatra represents the transition from hard work to relaxation and celebrates the joys of life while encouraging responsible use of talents and resources. The symbols of Purva Falguni include bed, swing, hammock, wedding couch, resting place. These symbolize love, marriage, creativity, comfort, luxury, relaxation, fertility, artistic expression. After effort comes enjoyment, making this nakshatra one of celebration and renewal. Those influenced by Purva Falguni often seek to create abundance that benefits both themselves and others. Their deity Bhaga is one of the Adityas and represents fortune, wealth, prosperity, good luck, marriage blessings, family happiness, fair sharing of resources. Their ruling planet Venus bestows qualities such as artistic ability, beauty, romance, luxury, diplomacy, music, fashion, design, hospitality, comfort. Its energy supports relationships, aesthetics, and refinement. Their positive traits are charming, friendly, artistic, creative, generous, optimistic, attractive personality, excellent communication, romantic, socially popular, leadership qualities, entertaining, good host, innovative, compassionate. When imbalanced, there can be tendencies toward laziness, overspending, seeking constant comfort, emotional sensitivity, vanity, procrastination, attachment to luxury, indulgence, jealousy, difficulty with discipline. These are possibilities rather than certainties and depend on the entire birth chart. Purva Falguni teaches balance pleasure with responsibility. Share prosperity generously. Use creativity to uplift others. Cultivate gratitude. Transform comfort into service. Build harmonious relationships. Uttara Falguni Nakshatra. Personality. responsible, generous, loyal, organized. Strengths: partnerships, leadership, long-term stability. Weaknesses: overwork, rigidity, spiritual meaning, sacred agreements and soul partnerships. Hasta Nakshatra. Personality: skillful, intelligent, humorous, practical. Strengths: craftsmanship, communication, adaptability. Weaknesses: manipulation, over-control, spiritual meaning, manifesting reality through skillful action. Chitra Nakshatra. Personality: creative, glamorous, visionary. Strengths: design, innovation, artistic excellence. Weaknesses: vanity, image obsession, spiritual meaning, creating beauty internally and externally. Swati Nakshatra. Personality: Swati natives value freedom deeply. They are independent thinkers, adaptable, diplomatic, intellectual, and often unconventional. They dislike control and need space to grow. Strengths: communication skills, business intelligence, adaptability, independence, networking ability. Weaknesses: indecisiveness, loneliness, detachment, lack of grounding, spiritual meaning. Swati represents the soul learning self-development through freedom. Careers: business, marketing, diplomacy, media, aviation, entrepreneurship. Shadow lesson: freedom without discipline can create instability. Vishakha Nakshatra. Personality: goal-oriented, ambitious, charismatic, and focused. Vishakha natives pursue success with strong determination. Strengths: leadership, persistence, influence, strategic thinking. Weaknesses: obsession, jealousy, over-competitiveness. Spiritual meaning: represents focused spiritual and material ambition. Careers: politics, leadership, business, law, motivational speaking. Shadow lesson: achievement without inner balance leads to emptiness. Personality: loyal, disciplined, spiritual, emotionally deep, and friendship-oriented. Strengths: devotion, networking, emotional endurance, teamwork. Weaknesses: emotional suppression, isolation, hidden sadness. Spiritual meaning: the lotus symbolizes spiritual growth through emotional struggle. Careers: counseling, psychology, teaching, spirituality, diplomacy. Shadow lesson: learn emotional openness and trust. Jyeshtha Nakshatra. Personality: powerful, intelligent, responsible, protective, and authoritative. Strengths: leadership, crisis management, intelligence, protection of others. Weaknesses: dominance, pride, suspicion. Spiritual meaning: represents spiritual maturity and responsibility. Careers: administration, military, management, politics, investigation. Shadow lesson: true leadership requires humility. Moola Nakshatra. Personality: Intense truth seekers who question reality deeply. Mula natives often experience profound transformation. Strengths: research ability, spiritual depth, fearlessness, investigative mind. Weaknesses: extremism, destructive tendencies, emotional instability. Spiritual meaning: Mula destroys illusion to uncover root truth. Careers: researchers, occultists, scientists, philosophers, healers. Shadow lesson: Purva Ashadha transformation Nakshatra must be balanced with personality. Confident, persuasive, passionate, and optimistic. Strengths: motivation, charisma, public speaking, creativity. Weaknesses: stubbornness, pride, emotional drama. Spiritual meaning: purification through emotional and spiritual cleansing. Careers: media, politics, motivational speaking, arts. Shadow lesson: outer victory is meaningless
Uttara
without
Ashadha
inner
Nakshatra.
purity. Personality: ethical, noble, disciplined, and responsible leaders. Strengths: integrity, long-term success, reliability, wisdom. Weaknesses: rigidity, overseriousness, workaholism. Spiritual meaning: victory achieved through righteousness and dharma. Careers: government, leadership, law, administration. Shadow lesson: power must serve collective good. Shravana Nakshatra. Personality: wise, observant, communicative, and knowledge-oriented. Strengths: learning ability, communication, teaching, storytelling. Weaknesses: gossip, overthinking, sensitivity to criticism. Spiritual meaning: learning through listening and sacred knowledge. Careers: teachers, speakers, writers, translators, counselors. Shadow lesson: true wisdom comes from deep listening. Dhanishta Nakshatra. Personality: energetic, ambitious, musical, socially active. Strengths: wealth generation, rhythm and timing, leadership, teamwork. Weaknesses: materialism, impatience, emotional distance. Spiritual meaning: aligning with the rhythm of cosmic abundance. Careers: music, finance, business, event management. Shadow lesson: prosperity must include generosity. Shatbhisha Nakshatra. Personality: independent, mysterious, analytical, unconventional. Strengths: healing, research, technology, occult understanding. Weaknesses: isolation, emotional detachment, secretiveness. Spiritual meaning: healing hidden wounds and karmic patterns. Careers: scientists, astrologers, healers, AI data analysts. Shadow lesson. Isolation can block emotional healing. Purva Bhadrapada Nakshatra. Personality. Intense, mystical, philosophical, visionary. Strengths. Spiritual insight. Deep thinking. Transformation ability. Weaknesses. Extremism. Emotional intensity. Isolation. Spiritual meaning. Burning away lower consciousness. Careers. Philosophy, spirituality, occult sciences, psychology. Shadow lesson. Intensity must be balanced
Uttara
with
Bhadrapada
compassion. Nakshatra. Personality. Wise, calm, philosophical, emotionally deep. Strengths. Patience. Stability. Spiritual maturity. Weaknesses. Emotional heaviness. Passivity. Withdrawal. Spiritual meaning. Inner stillness and transcendence. Careers. Teaching, meditation, counseling,
Revati
spiritual
Nakshatra.
guidance. Personality. Shadow lesson. Gentle,
Wisdom should
compassionate,
not become
imaginative,
emotional isolation.
protective. Strengths. Kindness. Healing. Creativity. Spiritual awareness. Weaknesses. Escapism. Oversensitivity. Confusion. Spiritual meaning. Completion of the soul cycle and divine guidance. Careers. Healing, travel, spirituality, arts, caregiving. Shadow lesson. Compassion must include healthy